Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey guys, right now I would like to do my English project. That is IT demonstration. For this demonstration, like you can see here, I will demonstration my game. Namely is catching fruit. Okay, let's start with the next slide. Now, for the next slide, there is a list of content that I will show with you rather. The first is there's introduction. The second is description of the project. The third is the result of the project. The fourth is the result of the game. The fifth is conclusion and closing. And last is question and thanks. Okay. Nah, uh, like the table content last time I show you. There is introduction. Okay, let me introduce myself first. My name is Haran Megifari. I'm from Sabungat, especially name is Hasan Gifari. I'm from Sabungat, especially Seven class. My hobby is swimming and play game. My address is in West Bekasi, Bekasi, especially in Sebentar Jaya Permai. My favorite food is noodles and meatball. In my school at the Eden Boarding School. Okay, maybe that's all for me for the introduction. Nah, it's a description of the project, but before that, I will ask you all, do you know what is Scratch? If you know, please raise your hand and answer my question. Okay, if there is no now, I will tell you about Scratch. Scratch is the platform that's created by MIT. Scratch is very useful for beginners that want to learning coding and make some games, some animations, and maybe others. And you can open Scratch in Google or you can download the platform because the platform is so easy for you learning coding. Because the platform is use a block for your coding, not like others. You must typing a long code, but in Scratch you just have to understand the coding, and after that you can make some games and some animation. Okay, okay. This my game that I made in Scratch, and I will explain about this. What is Catching Fruit? Catching Fruit is the game that I made in Scratch, and this game is different from others game that my friend made. In this Catching Fruit, have three levels. The first is if you success reach 10 points, you will continue to the first level, and if you success again to the reach the 20 points, you will enter the next level again, and if success reach to the 25 points, you will enter the last level. And if you want to win in this game, you just have to reach 40 points. But if you uh, touch the insects until you score min 3, you will lose. And how to play this game? Just have press left key roll button and right key roll button to control the ball to the left or to the right. And the main point is you have to catching all fruit in this game and avoid the insects. If you success catch all fruit, you will get 1 points. But if you touching the insects, you will lose 1 point. Okay, let me start from this slide and let's start to the next slide. As a result of the project, there is this different background. There is background when in the game. There's a background if you win, and I show the coding also because if you want to make the same game like me, you can make, and you can see here. There's a apple coding. There's enemies. Then there's a ball. Okay, let's enter the next slide. Okay, now Let's play the game. Nah, like I said last time, if you success catch the fruit, you will get 1 points. But if you touch the insects, you will lose 1 points. And it's a first level that is a second level that I made. Uh, nah, in the third level, there's a secret fruit. There's a watermelon. If you success catching a watermelon, you will get 3 points directly. Not like other fruit. If you catching the normal fruit, you will get 1 points. Just 1 points. Okay, this was the ground, and after that, I will show if you score, if you success avoid the insects until you score -3. This a game when you lose. Okay, let's back to the slide. And what's the conclusion? Conclusion if you worry and confused because you always play the same games every day and you want to try a new games, the simple games and the fun games, we can play these games for the erase your boring and make your day is going so fun. Okay, maybe that's all for this version and for question session. Any question? What?
Why you rank the meeting?
Because it's my project and I have to done this project. If I don't answer project, my ASCAL is crash, and yeah, the point is this I have to done this. Okay, this is for me for this presentation, and I apologize if I make a mistakes in this presentation, and maybe this is for me, and as I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.